Guys, welcome to my vlog. And for today's vlog tayo ay magluluto ng ampalaya with tokwa, chicharon and egg. Ayan, luto natin siya sa oyster sauce. So, nasira yung una kong video guys. Habol na lang. Ayan, kasi yung cellphone kong isa nagloko. Alright. So, habol na lang ito. Ihulok na natin ang ating ampalaya. Kumakain yung ating mga anak niya. Nilang Manoy. Ang kakain yan. So, halo-halo. Pati aking tripod. Sira. Ang hirap mag-vlog. Ayan. So, haluin natin ang ating ginisang ampalaya. Okra and chicharon. Ang palaya guys, 150 ang kilo. So ito ay isang piraso lang pero malaki siya, ang dami na. Alright, ayan. Ang dami na mga guys. So dalawa lang naman kami kakain. Alright, so ilagay na natin ang ginisa mix. Ayan, meron tayong ginisa mix dyan. Ginisa mix. And oyster sauce, meron tayong oyster sauce. So, naubusan ako ng oyster sauce. Ayun na lang. Alright. So, haluin natin. Halo. Halo lang. Wala akong tripod eh. Gusto niyo. Hindi hirap. Ganyan lang yun guys. Gunit. Ito lang natin siya sa oyster sauce. Ganyan lang kabilis at kadali. Alright. And next. Sarap pala. Lagyan natin ang paminta. So, lagyan natin ang paminta guys. Alright. Konti lang. Baka umalat naman. Natin lagyan ng meat si Manoy, nataba na. And next, hinaan natin ang apoy. So, maglagay tayo ng konting asin kasi parang natabang konting asin. Like that. And umulan na naman siya guys. O, diba? So, luto na siya guys. And this is the right time to put the eggs. Oh my God, it's raining. You have to put the egg. We have egg here. We have put the beaten egg like that. Alright. And halo. So this is yummy guys. Ayan. No meat muna tayo. Alright. And luto na siya guys. Alright. Look at that. Look at that. It's cooked. It's cooked already. It's done. Eh, napakadali lang lutuin guys at napakasimple. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Ayun o, may mga ano pa yan. No meat pero may chicharon. Oh my gulay. This is my gulay. Ayan. Patayin na natin ang ating kalan. Okay. Ang sarap guys. Kasi nilagyan ko ng oyster sauce. Alright. Oh, see? Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoy my video guys. And you must try this at home also. And it's ginisang ampalaya with tofu and szechuan. Ayan, with oyster sauce. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you once again for watching. I hope you enjoy my video, guys. Thank you, guys. God bless. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys. Bye.